Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here on a rainy Texas day. It's not really cold, but it's kind of rainy. And we got my Talion with a lot of upgrades and some SRC Road Crusher belted tires. We're gonna run that a little bit, and we also got this Nitro boat. This is a Nitro powered boat. I restored it for somebody, and we're just here to test it. It's all been redone and it's running, and we just got to try it out in the water and make sure it works. So yeah, I've never had a boat before. I know how to work on them and stuff because they're the same as RC cars. But yeah, it's a pretty cool boat. I think somebody homemade it. There's no real brands or nothing on it, but it is Nitro. As you see, it's got a Nitro motor on it. So we'll show you guys some footage from that, and then we're gonna switch over to the Talion. The video is gonna mostly be about the Talion. At least it ain't cold though, huh?
Yeah, I know, right? It's finally not cold.
I can't wait to try it, man. I've never actually driven a boat.
Yeah, me either.
Let's get started. Here we go, guys. We're gonna fire up this boat. All right, guys, we tried and couldn't get the boat to run. We just had it running at my house, so it started before we brought it out here, but we didn't want to run it too long before putting it in the water because that's how it cools itself. But we'll put that we'll get it going, get it figured out at home off camera, and put that in a future video for you guys. It's probably just gonna be a few minutes worth of footage us testing it, and then I gotta give it back to the guy that owns it. So we're gonna bash the Talion now. I think I'm gonna let Tommy drive it first. So here we go. Roll that footage of the Talion right now.
Roll that beautiful bean footage. Sounds so angry. That was wide open.
Spinning in the rain. Not getting full traction.
No, it was the ESC.
I think I missed it. I was looking at the car instead of the camera.
Thing's eating the grass.
Did we kill that battery already?
No, it's
Oh, I don't like the water, huh?
Yeah. Well, that's one way to wash it off. See all the grass come out of it? battery's so messed up. It's gone, it's ballooned, and that's, what was that? Is that a hard case?
It's a hard case 6S. Look at that thing, guys.
Oh,
It might blow up any minute, guys. That is dangerous. If you guys ever see your batteries look like that, you need to get rid of them immediately and not in the trash can. You need to take them outside and get rid of them, because that can go off, that can erupt at any time.
What are we gonna do with that thing?
It's shorted out, it can erupt into a fire, and it's very dangerous. Here's the brand, guys. This is a Power Hobby. The battery's not very old, and I've kept it in storage mode, and it got a short or something somewhere, something happened to it, and now it's swelling up because it's got a bad cell.
Or a ruptured cell.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. It didn't turn out as good as we thought it would. We're having battery problems. He's scared of it. This battery could erupt, as you guys seen. This battery it's a hard shell battery, and it's swelled. So this battery could start erupting flames at any minute. It's real dangerous. You guys got to find a safe way to dispose of these if these happen to you. Don't keep using them. They will burn your house down. Just a warning. Lipos are great. We need them for the hobby, but you got to be careful with them.
They are mini bombs.
I'm getting ready to take this to my hobby store, and I'm going to hope it doesn't catch my truck on fire on the way. But I'm probably going to leave it in the back of the truck and keep an eye on it, and I'm going to drop it off at my hobby store, and he knows how to recycle them.
I wouldn't trust it at JT's. I wouldn't take it to JT's.
Anyway, guys, here's the Talion. We had it running through the field and stuff, as you guys saw. It was throwing water roosters. It was pretty cool. This thing's super fast if we can get the right battery for it. We'll do future videos, definitely more videos coming up with this thing.
Yeah, I can't wait to top it out and see what it'll actually do. Like, he's been talking about this thing since I met him, and it's like, driving it, it's ridiculous. Like, it's actually probably one of the fastest things I've driven so far. So I really want to see what it'll do. Like, he's got quite a few that I really want to drive, and so far my list is dwindling. So yeah, I really want to, like, on my bucket list is to top this thing out. I'm probably, like, confident that it'll do either 100 miles an hour or faster. Like, it's a beast, and it's only 6S, but
we got that little speed meter at home, so probably the next video with this car, we'll put the speed meter on there and see how fast it's going, see what the top speed is.
Yep.
We got to get a new battery first, as you can see. Let's shut this video down before we burn ourselves up and get this battery disposed of. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, one other thing I noticed, 96% of you guys are not subscribed that are watching my videos. Are you good, bro? Subscribe, man, come on.
Smash that button, dude. Peace.